wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. And ladies and gentlemen, if you ever speak with a person who has absolutely zero mental agility and cognitive flexibility, you know how their conversations are. Their conversation goes around one topic, again round and round and round. And ladies and gentlemen, with debates, I am bringing to you the exact reasons why you can improve your mental agility and become a conversationalist in every spectre of discussion. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indian Debating League. To start off, the very legendary question we have to ask ourselves, the basic ones, right in the beginning of these videos. What is cognitive flexibility? What is mental agility? Well, to keep things simple, I want to phrase this as the ability to switch from one perspective to the other as fast as possible so that you understand an issue from all sides. Basically, it's the same as saying when I give you a sikka or a coin, you have the ability to turn it around and see both ends of it, the tails and the heads, and therefore your head grows bigger. Is that too bad of a pun? That's fine. The editor will take care of it. Anyway, now, as a debater, I know if I just say to you guys, hey, debating improves your mental agility, you guys, as the smart people you are, will not just believe it. I have to probably come with constructives and points and prove it to you. So, here goes my first argument of the day. The first one being the fact that, well, cognitive ability refers to the ability to look at an issue from two sides. But wouldn't that mean you should understand there are two sides in the first place? And in a debate, what do? You go for a topic, you go against a topic, and even if you go only for the topic, you need to rebut the points from against the topic, and therefore you have to understand the opposition's point of view, making you a more dynamic thinker. But why does this happen, ladies and gentlemen? That is because debating requires you to analyze complex issues and then figure out exactly why one side is better than the other side. But let's think about this. What else requires you to analyze a situation before you come to a position on the topic? Well, day-to-day decision making, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, cognitive flexibility also dictates your day-to-day decision making, and debating helps you make decisions because you know exactly why you're doing something and you become a more coherent thinker. And it makes sense, doesn't it? Because practicing debates under pressure trains your brain to make rapid and quick decisions fast in the right mannerisms, saving time with the right sources in mind, the right issues in hand, and knowing the steps to take to come to an informed decision. Not just any decision, an informed decision. And my last constructive for the day, ladies and gentlemen, refers to neuroplasticity. Big word, isn't it? Basically, debating creates new neural pathways in your brain. And let me explain to you what the top scientists of the world have to say. They say the smartest men in the room aren't the people who know the most or learn the most. In fact, it's almost quite the opposite. It is the people who learn, but then are the fastest and unlearning and then learning a new thing. What that means is, ladies and gentlemen, your ability to connect new neural pathways is the ability to unlearn and learn something new. It is trained when you learn a new skill or get a few new informations in areas you did not particularly have enthusiasm about before. And therefore, debating almost certainly makes you a more neuroplastic individual. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like that video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also, check out our Instagram handle @the Indian Debating League. And before I forget, that's what we're all here for, isn't it? Please go and check out all the amazing debates we have in store for you. Because if you're looking to participate, we always, year round, have something going that you can participate in and engage yourself. I'll see you there.